slave queens na ya mama na Nana Aba na mo.
Abanam Castle Sandra Kobia no
the
slayer of the slaves.
Yes. Ono say ya wo mama. Ya wo mama wo ho. Because ye nkwala no wo hwa ye wo pani your first born, your second born. But ye nyina ya mama na Nana Aba na mo.
Adena music mu ye no mama.
Because also Nana Aba na mo has been on TV for many years. And I say and big man nso no TV no mo hwe. It means say am tell Nana Aba de me to TV so say awo bo akra. Oh, nkofo papa be tua rough. Oh, enti Nana Aba na mo na sabe nso me no omoka me I see the positive part of it because wama a lot of girls in your confidence e wo mumu. Me share girls are me say Nana Aba na mo egu me omo say omo nyina nso sisi and omo ye top slayers. What you say? Enti no say Nana Aba na mo ate ho no na say woni ni ndi we hi asem anase wo nkomo a ono nim so betimi aboa wa. Oko kan wasem kire no betimi aboa obeboa wo. Nana Aba will help you. Or you're a very good person. It's your name I mean yebu nipa.
Tuning no good relationship.
Onya madamfo. Nana Aba na mo anya madamfo but I one of veteran journalists for na me admire omo a lot.
But onya madamfo we dey na oye wo mama.
Me see ye nyina ya mama.
Oh
yes, there are certain people will look up to them.
Oh okay.
Nana Aba na mo exactly. Yes. Obi ani obetimi atena bebi aka Nana Aba na mo wasem bone except so obeka say opempe girls.
And no cre.
Oh, no cre. Na say no cre. Na sa pempe na nya bone na bone.
Me am tie de nya bone ma me.
Yeah, because me because Nana Aba na me ka chani say Nana Aba say nya mama ya de ma me tiru de. Oh, na wonim big men pe ba kuma me a. No so yo mo na mema oba ko a enya bone. Ya pempe me positively.
Wow.
Yeah, and I love it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Junior say unyo obi a o ti say ono obepe say obepempe.
Nana Aba say opempe me sisi a de and say and say de da one nompe. Oh yeah, because
until say nipa nya ba TV so a the bias no.
Yes.
Ehu a.
Omo
TV so more.
Exactly, most of them. Omo pe and even on social media. Brand influencers no more social media haja for oni aja no obi anya the clients from the social media na.
Oh okay.
Because clients no ankasam they are always on the gram especially looking out for all these hot girls, make offers and all that. What you say? And most of them know that Dubai and yes I want to FF you are much more places that you FF you bet me at all but people want to go to Dubai because Arab money there who dear own fee.
Never Arab money but me Roko Eugene you're listening now. What the mommy starting free? Say what I'm here.
Oh yeah, slave queen. Oh yeah.
Why?
No call Nana Aba na money grooming no professionally. What you say? Ne mama cry na Nana Aba na mo. Nana Aba na mo the last baby girl cry no.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
Man Nana Aba according to you what groom me omo no. E bi ni one.
Me the
apart from Sewa.
I mean say most of them no. Sandra Kobia so kahon kakra. Sandra kahon. There are some other girls who are brand influencers, but they are almost said they need TV so sa. Yeah. But say what they on the last baby girl cry no.
Okay. It is Sewa a slave queen.
A slave.
Abna Mowe.
Oh. Abna nyemu. Biso nyebo. Abna nye slave queen.
Yemche Fela Makafi.
Oh, Fela Makafi on your slave queen.
Okay.
Fela is never a slave queen. Fela at the type you wouldn't see her showcasing maybe expensive stuff. All she would do is promote her own business. And she's a girl that she works hard for her money. If she's even slaying behind closed doors, once she is not on social media portraying it, no, we cannot categorize her as slave queen. She works hard for her money.
Okay. Sister Debbie,
Sister Debbie, yes, slave queen or a musician. Or yes, slave queen.
I say he's Sandra Kobia say actress, but also a slave
or
queen.
acting movie baby because movie back we find who know and who can only Yvonne Nelson is very close. And Yvonne Nelson here in the personal production of this Sandra Shemu and she was an extra or new major character.
It's no who is an actress.
Oh, Debbie. And said she just, for the love she had for Yvonne, so she just wanted to be part of it. But acting sika, or yeah, acting sika for anything. Sandra is very rich.
Okay. Yanko Benedict Agafa.
Oh, it's liquid. Oh, it's liquid.
One yesterday I was late. And I on the level here, what do you?
Oh, yes, liquid. Or level 2.
Is our censored version of Entertainment GH, and today you can't sleep with WhatsApp. It's no message baby now move to go Facebook now. They won't kind on censored. So if you saw censored, just see any smart massy. It's in the Mumia fans. Okay. Yente about Benedict Agafa. Dietina Maokas will sleeping. That she show off.
Benedicta is a Kumawood actress.
And so I can't cry.
And crying as a big man, no, I won't cry pa. And Obi Ashada I then up on a free movie because the more I movie no near there, then the more Abiana she's been exposed to a lot of men. In Abia Nesikaniba could be a say, baby me you every one more bet me yes on per competition. But she's a slave queen and then they be sometimes no you photos not editing no go wrong and you know bloggers will pick up on her and all that. Everything for the gram omoye. Aha. And this year no on only movie acting no na then a shooting about enim as this year no on also it me the benefit from it. It's no sponsorship there on also the sponsor the part and it's very good. Yes, TV3. Yes, our TV3 because say I feel say you got proper auditioning say omo fa a presenter for musical. Benedicta is not the right candidate.
Wow.
Yes, Benedicta is not eloquent enough for me. That's my opinion. Onya eloquent enough to be on TV as a live show presenter.
It's in and say Honda want to be a kind of demand.
Yes, who work Ghana now open Ibia ube who talent better with them.
Yanko Lydia Forson.
Onya slave queen, she's an actress. Lydia is not a slave queen.
Efia Schwarzenegger.
Efia is not a slave queen. Probably I'm now allowed Efia is not a slave queen. You will not see Efia on Instagram showing
things. Her showing Gucci stuff.
No, sir, and only there. Obi na dia becha internet. Say or hype nipa no that nipa na say. So Obi becha gold watch, gold chain, near the but on a more serious note, Efia is not the type of show stuffs on Instagram just to say the top pressure. Amangola there be on Tessa.
Okay, Yanko Yvonne Nelson.
Yvonne Nelson is slave queen.
Hey, that's what I say actress.
Oh yeah, actress, but why movies far, but oh yeah, slave queen. So said, the moment you are exposed through the movies, you know, and yet produce a beer no be free say Nigeria na be movie. Who be do Nigeria not clients a book who be at all. And you know, most of them no more agents for Nigeria. No nim just big bosses for Nigeria. You know, maybe I could do a movie anywhere. You need to maybe hang out because maybe I'm not allowed to be baby or share even else with TV. So I will say, oh, go away. No way, me fit. Me young come in and have a dinner. So dinner. No agents be booking. Say, yeah, $10,000. Now after we shoot 2 movie, now maybe I'm not allowed to say, or no, have a dinner. Now I charge because I know your friend appearance fee. And only appearance fee.
It's in the canal. Like when no money na the show off because Yvonne doesn't do so
Yvonne there, she doesn't show off. But slave because you know the slave queen it entails a lot. You was both showing off and also contacts some encophobia. Yeah, you say Niema who exhibit no and I say Niema who ye no lifestyle but will no be what here.
Joycelyn Dumas.
Joycelyn say a slave queen.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Yes.
Are they?
Sir, I always go back to say, who put TV so dear?
Marketing beba.
Marketing beba. Beba international, but Joycelyn no. I say on the market no Nigeria more.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Also Nigeria for no all these movie actors and producers, Alaji for no corporate, I mean company owners no. I'm light skinned girls. I'm light skinned girls.
Ain't na my used to be baby.
Yeah, upon the moon.
Hey.
Aha. Until because Nigeria so honest can Ghana for men man baby omuntia. Omuntia. But Nigeria for men man the almost say sika pan fine.
Okay. I'm out for where there Monaguchi and I church my mom yes Lakers or Ghana no tino Utia now the Biabo about so bloggers more tra Muntie and why some yes Lakers so that you don't assert the name to the wrong people. Yanko Efiodo.
Efiodo yes Lakers.
Aden.
Efiodo is just a bubbly child who happens to make use of the internet. Or you'll be I mean, as America life mission, the more a typical American child, son or mote. Efia is not on TV or on Instagram or any other social media exhibiting expensive phone or baby bought this for me or no. Until be or what internet or sana say be a wash the whole half nude or did now grow the no yes queen.
Delay.
Oh, delay yes queen. So be an delay yes queen.
Let's come to the King Kong, Moesha.
Oh, send them Moesha. Me, Madam Fu, or yes slave queen.
Or level band.
On it, Sandra Moho. Moesha Yepenimo.
Moesha is an actress.
Yes, she is. Through acting near the then she got the exposure.
But Unyesiko acting man.
Also acting Sikaba. But also, it gets to a time in a girl's life on person of a year just one thing. Because acting will be an enemy.
Okay.
Up and coming once ever.
Okay.
You know, they attach other businesses to acting. What you say? They said Gafa say say the cosmetic line be what you say because only me depending on acting and I say Ghana TV3 every man in one because Enso Gafa is very expensive in Enso. Okay. What you say? Moisha yes or yes slave queen. Or a slave queen fan with highest of respect. With highest of respect. Oh yes, me would
Japadi Moisha, who's watching. I know one idea, and honestly, a labor for him.
Debbie, any dear Pepe.
Until Moisha will feel.
Oh, yes, or uncompleted building, be not what Tokra, Kakra will be.
I want him.
Our East Legon.
Can't be no issue.
Or you to Range Rover.
Okay.
Our Infinity will but I think say no as someone too much in terms say Ninu be used with her name customized on no can will be a touch and son always to Range Rover Evoque. Okay. Yeah.
Princess Shingle.
Some no is slave queen. Oh, princess or a slave queen. Princess the son Nigeria no one no who na down for crana say dia client was car. When you umbrella princess betting agent for him.
Hey. Mutimi Yanisa, Mutimi GOB a client free.
Oh yes.
And I say you be do. I say me jump it. Sama Mumuni.
Oh, it's slave queen.
Sama is slave.
It's slave queen.
Okay. Zinel Zu.
Zinel on your slave queen.
Okay.
Zinel is not a slave queen. Zinel is on the low.
Okay.
Yes. Not financially, but or you'll be on fan the private life to social media sir. O slay na ta de no ba ho no mo eno ano no. Who Zinel go say bia we tu kwan akọ ba bia o twa videos of expensive bia na obi wo ha o tua but bia ono no empese obi show of this ya no mean categorizing is or slave queen. I will think say or say she works hard for her money.
Okay.
Yes.
Jackie Appiah.
Jackie Appiah is slave queen.
Madam.
Yeah, Jackie Appiah is slave queen.
Jackie Appiah.
Na movie be no here obeti menye ska Thomas Sarati. Obeti me Thomas Sarati. Yeah, you know, exposure no, and she's very pretty. She's very pretty. And a lot of people want to hang around with Jackie Appiah. A lot of big guys. Big guys, Arab man is for. Obi wa enye say bia bra na beda me nchen kwa. Me hu no TV so no ho me fe. Oh, me pese me na have dinner. Our management team. Okay, appearance fee $20,000 ah. And some obi to free Ghana na scanner than account me. Yes, and if you should see Jackie Appiah globe trotting and or shopping like she's insane. And yeah, shopping now, yeah, corner, no, or no, like or shopping with some of the most expensive designers in the world. And obviously, Obi and Timmy got a movie sikana heading. No, and your movie sikana to toss any money now. And she showcased all those things on social media.
Bella Mundi.
Oh, they be honestly queen.
Nana Epia Adu. Unino. Unina Epia. Okay. What's the other?
Honestly.
Nana Epia. So, lady or your fashionista or share Caribbean, maybe I see you make
Nana Epia kind of slave queen, no, it has nothing to do with Abia Obama sponsor Nana Bibisa. But Nana Epia dear no, okay, first category for no.
Okay,
Unibi. But you want to portray it a woman because they are selling clothes and an clear the chat or the photo shoot. Who be son of $5,000. But ABI, you're American, your size, you're over $100. $200, and it's the same thing.
Yeah.
What you say? You know, when you are portraying that, man, the OB is looking up to you. Say, ABI, also, fashion stylist to say, wow, money panel budgets. Meanwhile, you know, say they are tired, no, $100 and $120. But because you are an appear in quotes, you know, which me boss said, at we gown we cost him $10,000, which is not true. So when you are doing that, you are a fake slave, the slayer.
Juliet Ibrahim.
Juliet is not a slave queen.
Juliet is a slave queen.
Debbie. Juliet is a slave queen.
Okay. Obaya Uboni Dean CCA. Oh, Uboni Dean. Also call a Ukushia Kadibi and the video bab to for Tani. Ahajia for real.
Also, I am a science slave queen.
I was just sleeping.
Say a no, she's everywhere. The moment you start thinking about slave queens now, she will be one of first three. Ebeba Utrim, Aja for should be number one. Oh yes.
What does she do?
Aja for real is able to finance everything that she puts out there.
Okay.
Like Porsche or Range Rover and Mercedes Benz and all that. But who know Ejuma Ben Aja for real man? Until she's able to afford all those. So who do you think is paying? Or how is she getting her money?
To a young one.
Sen Amichira will say clients nanka some. They are always on social media looking out for all these light-skinned pretty girls.
Okay.
What you say? And as this young so no, I say only small waist any big ass now. What you say? Oh no, obi any obe for Arab money. Anything most of them no more person or under the knife now, almost sign shapey or muhu BM. What you say? Now looking more attractive. No more posy or Instagram no taking sexy, you know, seductive pictures. India no and Obama de be from Turkey, Malaysia, Dubai, Singapore. What's the Arab money? The Qatar, near from Lebanon, in Arab money. Into me come here, I'm so merena. My yina me has a monsieur befremia.
Mamifa last person to Nafe Yanko Dubai.
Good.
Tracy Boachi.
Tracy is slave queen.
Honestly,
David, honestly queen.
Nana Mama Ground.
Oh, me mame.
Or your mammy, Tina, on your slave queen, and also on your slave queen.
Nasa for free to Nana Manaka send him so on your slave queen.
Okay, Yvonne Okoro.
Yvonne is slave queen.
Yvonne Okoro is
yes, or slave queen.
Yvonne Okoro is
yes. Oh.
Because me who show off for social media.
Or you'll be always say, Omoya the Sandra Kobia type of slay in Ibi. They are not going to brag about what they are having, but one casa who the winning air the which means say be an idea away and like no boarding. One will say, something like that. And they are all keeping up their lifestyles, even though the movie industry is kind of dead. Because I don't remember the last time Abdul Salam I active movie there and Frank Raja active movie there. Because say be a movie when a costume, you know. And whatever they afford, you know, any movies nature.
Nadia Buhari.
Nadia is not a slave queen.
Who is she?
Nadia is an actress.
Okay, I have Bobby Brenai actresses.
Yeah.
But what me you be more slave queen,
Yes.
be more slave.
Yes, because Nadia Buhari is let me say she's an introvert.
Okay.
What you say? And then Oye Bidia, yeah, na ne papa din wo ni tirim. Into no, she tries her best not to tarnish her father's image.
Okay.
And Oyo bin so abema so ni mu ntemene ne wo ye. It's half of her life no, or they wo or mafo. Or they wo. Into no, only that time no for globe trotting and then showing off expensive a year and all that.
Okay.
Until now they are main categorizing the class of slave queen.
Miss Bell.
Miss by a slave queen. Miss by a slave queen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or category name. Show off minibi. You will be one of the children.
Miss Bell was second level.
You will be banyani and yet them one casa of the children.
Yes.
Okay.
Sana Miss Bell so dear.
You go Dubai.
Me pacho flights many ways you say.
They say you use Emirates.
Okay. Send on national airline.
You know what I call business class.
Oh, there be your business class in your first class. Sandra Nkobia so on a business that it be your first class.
Oh, you know who you know. We are going to.
Oh, you
You couldn't take money in any.
oh, say any.
Okay, so you ever say Mona or Ghana? Dear Nedube do Dubai. How does it work?
Okay. A bit depending on more for more career to say acting, music, I don't know more famous no. It will probably go through their management. And then say be nipa na who social media na or message you people can start talking from there. Yes.
No, nipa na you interested name one. And now also use agents.
A bit depending on so onimobia onim nipa na, but if not on one personally to the page no send a message. Now for more exchanging numbers not more doing for yeah.
It's moving komona na ayeden.
You agree on something. Nipa na be say I want you to travel to Dubai and hang around with me. I'm going to pay you maybe $50,000.
Okay.
I'm going to send you 30,000 and then when you get there you take the balance.
It's our best own crown or best send 30,000 now.
Oh, we're best send them because we really well and say you are verified.
Oh, okay.
And I most of your slave queens so they are verified.
Come in chemu.
Yeah. When you're verified,
they are much so person Instagram page are verified.
Yes.
Oh.
When you are verified, they can locate you anywhere.
Trust.
Yes, I'm trust because I will go through pictures. Or who say our profession here, we are brand influencer, we say, I know they are very confident in you.
Now say Obefa call Dubai, then what?
Okay, most of them know. One thing I want to state emphatically say, Dubai for men and no more, almost share them African girls. Because I know you $50,000 a day amount. And yen is sika. And to bet me ultimately could do now on market also 15 and Joe balance. Your yacht party be a year per se. Sometimes we have something like threesomes and all that. Say be oh, man and my brother and I say man and my young queen. So we bet me a dear. If they ever forward when you work she and it's a near my name, you be more sika say. Obi wa sikana for front I drink in one bottom. Obeti na kato say me pese sebio me pet here ye krama ye owai me pese woni ne nye de eda me ma $100,000 African girls no bebreji
no money krama na.
Oh yes omo ye so omo say me boa and omo ye they do it sika no go dollar na or they be free Dubai aba no they aba be flaunt expensive stuff on social media no. That's it. So for lack of knowledge, most of these our African ladies are killing themselves, but they don't know. Because honestly, no nipa no on fan in yonko Arab ni or ba.
Oh my crama
There be on here. But Africans exactly on here. But Africans, most Africans for no. I say third world into no. Dollar means a lot to us. Into no. Say ya be ma obi kakra sa no wetimi and then one thing too is they never disappoint. This can be more prepared. Yes, I'm the more prepared. Oh yes. Obi wa wait me so me say madam fuwe and the woda na maintenance na me share.
Wow, free porn.
Na fe my day. Me say. Into one so tis can was soon not the bag and a sick and as a popcorn bebre into no. Overje. Aha, but most of Ghanaian girls, no any Nigerian girls, they are almost true. It's no muko do us and I saw Munya middleman beer. Or no be guarantee so oh you seek an on Sabeka.
Okay.
It is a middleman also no or just can we announce woman in the percentage room.
Oh, okay. The middleman near pips no.
Omo pimping. Yes. But we are lacking a client Nankasa ever deal with you directly dear. And dear even in Nigeria here, because I don't know, we are an agent. I feel kind of make sure agent.
I want Nigeria.
Okay.
It's you know say Omuko Dubai it's either say you buy out threesome, you buy for any money actually.
Yes.
And that's
the buy for also no because of omo pay back in the back near na omutua pan for the back.
Oh Dubai.
Oh yes. Omutua pan.
Any money nyamu de.
There be say any money dey nsan ka omo ma o omo fa. But say be na the girlfriend dem pene say onye sa. Into no Africans for the tuntunti be.
Ti yes slay queens bebre omo kwam ya from back.
And me say because me know.
But who say bebre na so ko Dubai?
Me madam fu bi kra I was Dubai one of the big hotels that I'm going to withhold the name.
Yeah.
I know a friend in life. I catch me that say this actress Jackie Appiah. I was our hotel honeymoon. And I want to believe that she went for a holiday, but around that time, Kwanzaa, I must say, Hash Papi so bad honeymoon. Hash Papi Koshiano, our hotel. When you're going to frame me or catch them, some Koshia, and maybe our celebrities, maybe our moon meeting to discuss business. Our hotel.
Jackie Appiah and Hash Papi.
Oh, yes.
I discuss it.
Yes, me young going to frame no catch them, so almost star back. And I'm so starving. And I'm America.
Okay.
And also Jackie Appiah, and I'm so okay on no day. I'm booking everywhere for shooting.
Okay, now Muna. And some of what be a need we kiss I will be there. One whole week kiss and I will be no. What could Dubai?
When
your clients are made what could Dubai?
Maybe I should.
Muna cannot pray.
Oh,
and then I'm catching you say come fab a application kusiamra.
Nanka me mo oh, me transit keke. Ebia sometimes me ko America na ma fa ho keke.
Etimuna e won ko ha ma yen fa to da. E na hu se fa go for.
Say we are on the ground it yeti bibia.
Eti yen fa to da.
There be.
We are switch on a pause here sana there be. Muna.
There be. Na Ola.
Debbie, can I pray?
And can S Debbie. Sanka and the Sadia Puanka, Cafena Mabel request across his Sicano Sundia Nanka. I think America.
When a bamis me beside me, yell fly away and bisano. I'm not forcing my feel as also I found to Dubai.
Oh, sir.
Hey, also I bought 3 some Dubai.
Sir?
I'm saying now, Cababia, Union, seek a few.
Oh, I see. Minyanka.
Unyanka.
But Yanka.
And Yano Craig.
And Yano Craig. I feel when I make person me expose me hona minya such deals. Yeah.
Yenya video be na I have an African lady be na be me be in night I will wanna say as in what in na use almost see record no Dubai who say video
me who say video
good morning background
me nim nipako but it was in Dubai and nipa ne Ghanaian or Nigerian
but also nim nipako
and then but omo ma me who say Nigerian but enye Ghanaian.
It's one and then now.
And I Nigerian so but onye star or Nigeria. You know, nobody did catch me. I wouldn't know who the person is. But I'm mama metiasi.
It's one and then now one as him.
And say any day, I'm sure say who could do one. A group of rich people. I just say, I know my gather. I know moody agro. And so we bet me I say okay, truth or dare. I'm daring you say raw once you see na we any day. On fan the 9 was say. Yeah, baby of $50,000. And $50,000 and so you scapa of maybe Africa, all the Africa is scapa into no yes, I grow they the rich and mighty no more Dubai no. They do these things as their leisure time.
Oh, okay.
O my year jumadiri o mo person relaxing. Sa nyama we no mo digigi o mo.
Na take his way.
Take him so the omo hopa take him phone so omo ya drugs fan so fine.
Chomo the man come more drugs.
It will depend on how they want to link with you.
Okay.
Say sebio a DNA na obaya. They know what you have to do. Say omo person omo use and say omo person omo use extra say bia person ye say ebia ye dey drugs be so o kakra so and also it's a different ball game altogether.
Ti omo timi the drugs my slave queen TV.
Oh yes.
But how the omo man krama ni omo na?
There be how them intis that sound used to that.
Na Nigerians way.
Nigerians so omo yes ada but Nigeria for so per back pa.
Omo so per.
Emema sex. Yes, omo per pa.
I remember ben politicians and answer one now omo musia
obia. Yes, because Nigerians in the sense this politicians pa say omo niska Nigeria.
Neti Nigeria ni say ever Nigeria ni ebe fa back mo na say Nigeria ni free also ebe fa back say no betia.
Oh, as I say at least no crack at least between $20,000 and $30,000.
$20,000 or $30,000 not there for what cheap.
Yes.
That's all about 3 some so.
Oh, that 3 some there is a little cheaper.
3 some is cheaper.
Oh yes.
That's all macraman what dance so.
No they maintain that about Nigeria movement and they maintain baby sada.
Me ti say omo ti mi suma private jet mo be fan for free akọ.
Mpacho ai.
Omo gusie.
Omo gusie pa.
Abusa for ya ni Monaguchi. Uko Instagram at Monaguchi official. And I uko Facebook so at Monaguchi official. Why a slayer of the slayers. And I can see a con freestyle. Eti dey di kan mamu efre ye no because you see start ya dey baby. E common grind wie. After ke be ko agia for real crown so like a cra.
Oh okay.
Ni akọ jacking so me sure so ni clients ni bia. Umo mudi ba betimi a chese client to ye aduma. Mona. Nyamisha.